What's going on, guys? I got a problem with my Mustang here. So it was running perfectly fine before, then all of a sudden doesn't start anymore. It cranks. Let's see, look. It cranks, but it doesn't want to start. You see, you have the theft light flashing, and it doesn't show my mileage. So I was trying to look everywhere that I could, and it was one simple problem that I overlooked, and I'm going to show you guys. I just want to put the information out here just in case anyone else happens to run into this problem. I just want to help anyone out. So this 30 amp fuse right here, I have it out just for a demonstration so it's easy to pull, but this is the fuse for your PCM. So you pull this thing on out of here. It's not the easiest to get a great look at. You do see it broken right there though. So the fuse went bad. If your eyes aren't as great, you know, mine aren't great, but whenever these two aren't touching, it's open. So I'll give you an example. You gotta touch them and it'll show you the resistance between. That's just a continuity, just in case anybody doesn't know. So you'll run the two, one on one side, one on the other. Boom, boom. And it stays open. So clearly this is a bad fuse. So you go to your local store. I went to Advanced Auto. Got myself a 30 amp maxi fuse because these are bigger than your normal fuse. You know, for example, this would be your normal mini fuse, I guess you would call it, and this is your maxi. Anyways, see how it's open? You touch the bad one, it's open. Touch the good one, you have very minimal resistance, but that proves that there's continuity. Slipped off. So that proves that there's continuity. So you take this thing, drop it on the floor first. Take this thing. Doesn't really matter which way you orientate it. But right when I plug in the good fuse, I hear my fuel pump kick on. I get over here, and the theft light is no longer flashing fast the way it used to, and your mileage comes up. And the car starts right up. Hope I can help you guys out if anyone runs into this problem. Make sure it's just something that you check. It's super simple, and it's something that I overlooked, and I spent countless hours looking for this problem, and it was as simple as your 30 amp fuse right here for the PCM.